This video is purely for internal training purpose.
Hospitalization claims can either be made through cashless or reimbursement. This video is to help our customers understand the flow of reimbursement in the customer portal. Customers can make claim intimation and apply for claim online through customer portal or through Star Power, which is Star Health's customer app. Let us now understand step by step on how to make a claim intimation and apply for reimbursement of hospitalization expenses online.
These are the steps to register now.
Log into the portal using the credentials, that is, using your email ID and the password set during your registration into the portal. Mouse over and click on My Claims. You can see the ID card of the policies you have taken. Against that particular policy card that you want to claim, click on Register Claim. Click on Hospitalization under Select Claim Type. Users also have an option of changing the claim type only if the product has OP benefit. Fill the mandatory patient information column, that is, the intimator name, contact number, email ID, and attender's mobile number. Select the details of the insured person who is hospitalized from the drop-down box. Share all the admission informations, that is, reason for admission, admission type, hospital admission date, hospital discharge date, and the management type. To begin with, select the admission type from the drop-down box. If the patient is hospitalized currently, choose Current. If the patient is discharged from the hospital, choose Late. If the patient is planning for medical admission, select Planned. Select if the hospitalization is due to medical or surgical reasons. Click on Select Hospital to find the hospital list. Enter the PIN code, which is mandatory, hospital name, address, and choose the hospitals in network or non-network, and then click on Search. Select the hospital from the list and click Submit. Hospital details are updated successfully. Now, select the type of room admitted from the drop-down box. On clicking Submit, claim intimation is submitted. Claim intimation number is now generated. Save the claim intimation number for further references. Now that the claim intimation is done, let us look at the process for initiating reimbursement. On the claims dashboard, search for the claim intimation number that you just received and click on it. On clicking the claim intimation number, all the details filled while creating intimation will be displayed. Click on Initiate Reimbursement. As the claim is registered, the status is shown as completed. To upload documents, click on Upload Files. There are 3 document submission types: hospitalization claim, post-hospitalization, and pre-hospitalization. Select the document type as a hospitalization claim as shown in the snapshot. From the drop-down box, click on the type of files customer wants to submit. Next, click on Upload Files here to upload the documents from the system. Customers can upload one or more documents in this particular section. Click on Submit to upload the documents. On clicking the Submit button, a pop-up message is displayed. Once the documents are uploaded, it cannot be edited. So, confirm the uploaded documents by clicking Yes and then click OK. A message of confirmation is displayed on successfully uploading all the files. Now, let us look at the process for initiating claims for post-hospitalization. Go to the claims dashboard, click on the claim intimation, and then click on Initiate Reimbursement. Select the document submission type as post-hospitalization and upload all the necessary documents. Click Submit. Please note that hospitalization claim is mandatory to claim for post-hospitalization. Next, let's look at the process for initiating claims for pre-hospitalization. Go to the claims dashboard, click on Claim Intimation, and then click on Initiate Reimbursement. Select the document submission type as pre-hospitalization and upload the necessary documents. Click Submit. Hospitalization claim is mandatory to claim for pre-hospitalization as well. After uploading all the documents, the claims team scrutinizes the documents and the status turns completed. By clicking on Submission Letter, you can download the submission letter for your future references. In case of any missing documents, a query is raised. You will see a pending remark against the query. Click on Reply Query. Enter the query responses and upload the necessary files, and then click on Submit. A success image is displayed after submitting the files. After the approval, the approved status turns completed. If the reimbursement is rejected due to any circumstances, the rejected message is displayed as shown in the snapshot. Availing hospitalization claims is now made easy through the online customer portal. Please make the best use of it.